Do you want to know how you can view Leaderboard in Elsa Speak? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can view your leaderboard in Elsa Speak. So go ahead and open Elsa Speak, which is on your phone. Go to Home, and on the top left hand corner of your screen you can see some icon or some badge. Go ahead and tap the badge and you can see your world ranking. Scroll up and you can see that this is the leaderboard in Elsa Speak. It's quite simple, guys. All you need to do is go ahead and open Elsa Speak, and on the top left hand corner you can see the badge. Go ahead and tap the badge, and this is how you view your leaderboard in Elsa Speak. So this board will be changed in 4 days and 10 hours time, and the clock down is going on. So after the time has passed, the leaderboard will update and you can be on the top of the leaderboard after getting points. So you can see that the top player in Elsa Speak is Emil Rachman right now with 345 points. So to get to this guy or this girl, you must complete your lessons easily and then you can get points. This was a video on how you can view leaderboard in Elsa Speak. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.